Hey, fourth grade, we're going to start with Chapter 6, Lesson 1 for Colorado today in our Social Studies book. And I'm going to start on page 171. And it says Ben Nighthorse Campbell, Native American Senator. As a boy in California, Ben Campbell got into a lot of trouble. Then, while working on a farm, he met some Japanese American teenagers who taught him judo. That sport, Campbell said years later, kept me off the streets and out of jail. It did more than that. In 1964, he served as the captain of the U.S. judo team at the Olympic Games. As a young man, Campbell worked in many jobs. He served in the U.S. Air Force and worked as a policeman. He also made Native American jewelry. Later, he trained horses on the Southern Ute Indian Reservation near Ignacio, Colorado. Campbell decided to work as a government leader. He served in Colorado's state legislature for 4 years. In 1986, he was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives. He was the 8th Native American to serve in Congress and was re-elected 3 times. In 1992, he was elected to the U.S. Senate. During his career, he worked to protect public lands and resources. If you look at the picture to the right, you see President George W. Bush and the Indian man. Underneath it says Ben Nighthorse Campbell with former President George W. Bush. One question to think about as we're going through this unit is that as you read this chapter, you want to think about how Campbell had many different jobs, but each new opportunity led him on his way to becoming a U.S. Senator. What opportunities do you have to serve Colorado? That's something you're going to be thinking about, not just serving Colorado, but also how can you serve the community that you're in addition to Cherokee Trail Elementary. I'm at the top of page 172. Government and Citizenship. For more than 200 years, the United States of America has had some form of government. It is called a representative democracy. A democracy is a system of government in which power belongs to the citizens. Our democracy depends on us to wisely choose people to speak for us in government. This makes the United States a republic. A republic is a government usually headed by a president in which representatives elected by citizens govern according to law. The next title, The Government in Us. The Constitution of the United States is the highest law of the land. It protects the rights of citizens and reflects our highest values. It serves as our plan of government. The Constitution lists many of the freedoms that belong to citizens. We have the right to go where we want and to gather peacefully in groups. Americans also enjoy freedom of religion. This is the right to practice a religion or no religion. Freedom of speech is another important right. It means that citizens have the right to speak or print their opinions. Number 1, complete the sentence by filling in the blank. Citizens have blank so that they have the right to speak or print their opinions. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Top of page 173, the responsibility of citizens. Americans share the responsibility to help protect our rights. Some of our rights are responsibilities, such as a duty to vote. Voting is one of the most important and powerful actions a citizen can take. It allows us to make decisions together that reflect the wants of the majority or the largest part of the people. Other freedoms also come with responsibilities. The right to say what you think comes with the responsibility to tell the truth and to let others speak as well. To be protected by the law, citizens must obey the law. We are required to pay taxes. Taxes are monies paid to support the work of the government. The government uses the money collected as taxes to pay for all services it provides. Citizens also serve on juries as witnesses in court. We're going to stop there. Next time when we meet during class time, we're going to start learning about the 3 branches of government on the next page. But I really want you to think about what our responsibilities are as citizens. How can you make a difference in the community that you serve and in the state that you live in? See you guys later.